Ayun na nga, sobrang daming content creators ngayon ang na-demonetize. So minabuti ko nang itanong kay Meta ang isa sa mga dahilan kung bakit yun ay yung pag-share ng reels ng iba o pag-share ng reels ng kapwa nila content creators or ng mga followers nila, kung okay lang ba yun. O di kaya yung pag-promote nila sa mga page nila o sa mga profile nila at itinatag yung mga taong pinopromote nila na i-follow din ng iba. Kuman sa sarili ko, ginagawa ko rin yun. So sobrang bahala ako din, itinanong ko na rin talaga kay Meta just to make sure na hindi ko nalalabag yung content monetization policy nila. I just want to know if it's possible to share reels of my followers on my profile and page knowing that my profile is already been monetized. Sagot nila, regarding your question, you were wondering whether you can share the reels of your followers, likers on your profile or page. Is that correct? Sabi ko, yes, correct. Response naman nila, got it. The answer to that is 100% yes. You can absolutely do it. But please make sure to make disclaimer on the caption that it belongs to another person so that the algorithm can detect the authenticity. Nagtanong ako ulit sa kanila, how can I do that? Shall I tag them on my post once I share the reels? Ang sagot naman niya, since the profile is already been monetized, let's please make sure to put any disclaimers on the caption of the reels. Even simple hashtag to accept is accepted. For example, hashtag credits to the owner or hashtag CTTO. You can include that in your caption as simple as that, and we will be able to know that you are honoring Meta's community guidelines and would appreciate it. So, ibig sabihin, pwedeng-pwede po ang mag-share ng reels ng iba. As long as yung sinishare yung reels ng kapwa nyo content creators is wala ho siyang violation. So, dapat nilalagyan pala natin siya hashtag credits to the owner or hashtag CTTO. Tinanong ko din, how about sharing a profile in my profile by tagging them and asking my followers to follow them as well? Is that possible? Ang sagot nila, yes, definitely. We call that organic promotion. That means making advertisements or promoting other people's content or account pages by word of mouth, virtually. So that means to say, okay lang po pala talaga yung ganon. Siguro, yung mga na-demonetize na mga content creators, meron lang talaga siguro silang nalabag na hindi natin alam talaga kasi hindi naman talaga dinidisclose din talaga ni Meta kung ano yung dahilan. Kaya sa lahat ng kapwa ko content creators dyan, mabuti pong lagyan natin ito ng hashtag credits to the owner or hashtag CTTO para po sa ikakabuti ng mga profiles natin o para hindi natin malabag kahit na anong palisiyan ni Meta. Yun lamang po. For more tips and questions on creating reels, follow for more. Bye!